them drink to them powder.
Why? I want you.
Just.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glowed.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shake. I do lifestyle vlogs, beauty content. So if you're interested, hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you're notified when I make a video. So guys, this is like a lot of days after this video that you're gonna be seeing, but I did not start the vlog, right? Like, we're not gonna see at the end of the vlog or part of the vlog, I was actually going to cream my hair, the ear cream right now, as you can see. So just wanted to come on and start the vlog. So pretty much the vlog is going to be two major events plus a little something in between. So the first event is going to be my sister's birthday dinner. So we went to Jamaican at a restaurant for my sister's birthday dinner, and then the next event is going to be my parents' anniversary brunch or lunch dinner, lunch dinner, whichever one. So yes, those are the things you're gonna be seeing in this vlog. Hope you guys enjoy. Again, subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, share, leave a comment. Love you guys. Mwah. Hey guys, so right now we are heading to Jamaican to go to the restaurant. Just a disclaimer, you guys will be hearing like music for most of this video because music was being played.
So I know you
copyrighted. So I hope you guys enjoy it nonetheless. Hey guys, so I'm back home from the restaurant. It is like after 12 right now and I am tired and I have work tomorrow morning. Anyways, so I did not even get to start this vlog or anything like that. So probably like tomorrow I feel like update, but right now I'm kind of tired. But pretty much it was my sister's birthday and we went to this restaurant in Jamaica called The Yard. So that's what you guys saw. I was showing you guys Yeah, I'll reach home and take off the wig. The wig is off. Like, I was so tired. So I'm going to remove my makeup right now. Get my face washed, brush my teeth, and just go to bed. I'm tired. I need some sleep. I don't even know if I'm going to up early tomorrow. Or do I need... Because I don't have any exam to invigilate tomorrow. So, I'm wondering, should I take a little extra minutes in my bed, get up at 7 and then go school late? Because me tired. Bad. I feel like I'm going to do that. I'm going to know tomorrow. So, see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so it is the morning and I'm having breakfast. I'm kind of late because I am tired. So I have dumplings, I have liver, and I got some Milo tea. And I'm watching some Vlogmas. Good morning guys. It is Thursday? Yeah. Huh? No! Good morning guys. It is Thursday and I think the last time I spoke to you, well, I speak to you yesterday, I'm sure of that, but the majority of the vlog was on Tuesday and I was supposed to like do more vlogging. However, things never work out to be what I wanted it to be. So I just wanted to, you know, I'm not meant to start the vlog for that vlog. I need to like come home and do that. But anyways, I'm heading to work. It is Thursday and I have like 3 exams today. Yeah, what? 3. So gonna do those and then come home. Yeah, then I'm not got school tomorrow. I can't take the yang them too nicey. Anyways, so yes, I'm not going to work tomorrow because tomorrow's my mother and father's anniversary and they're going somewhere and they bringing us some, so we having a shrub. Yeah, anyways, may I go got school.
God, you call me by my name.
Hi guys, here for that little. Look at nice. Look at nice. Anyways, so just came back, just heading back from doing my hair. Yeah, I'm tired. Like, I'm tired. Anyways, so like my hairdresser said that my hair needs treatment, so I need to start treating my hair. As I had said, I need to start taking care of my hair. So I'm gonna start doing that. You know. Girl look nice. Anyways, bye.
The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk. All these trials and tribulations got me tired.
These are at KAG.
I heard that I can't come you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more
To take some exam.
Yes.
Show me I'm someone. Show me I'm someone. Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Golly way.
We stopped by the sign. Hi. Best parish
Ever.
We got ice cream, Devon Owls.
Yes. Right.
All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh. That's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone.
Please like,
Told me
share,
I'm
subscribe
someone.
and leave a
Told me
comment.
I'm